How to fix Instagram Reels zoom problem. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you fix the issue like Instagram Reels are automatically zoomed in on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to confirm that you have the updated version of Instagram on your iPhone. For that, open up App Store. After you open App Store, at the top in the search field, search for Instagram. After you find any update of Instagram, simply tap on the update option. After you update latest version of Instagram on your iPhone, your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing that problem, you need to uninstall that application and reinstall from the App Store. After you do such methods from your iPhone, your problem should be fixed. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.